Civil Aviation Academy, Aviation College. The first category teacher of English, Шабакова А.Н. International Airports of Kazakhstan. Aims of the lesson: communicative to form communicative skills in speaking, reading, listening. Educational, to give the students information about the biggest airport in the world and Kazakhstan, to broaden their outlook. Development, to develop students' cognitive mechanisms, memory, critical thinking, and the perception. Objectives of the lesson: to answer the questions, to explain new grammar, to be, going to, and the present continuous, to do exercises for consolidations of new grammar, to make the dialogue predicting the future of aviation, to report the partner's prediction. Learning outcomes: ability to speak about the role of airports in foreign affairs, ability to predict the future of aviation using new grammar material, present continuous, to be, going to. In the picture you can see all airports in Kazakhstan. International airports of Kazakhstan are classified into 4 types: length of runway, total area, cargo traffic, passenger traffic. How can you imagine the future of aviation? In order to imagine, let's watch a video about it.
Aviation has a few challenges. Flight delays, cancellations, missed connections. They affect us all.
How much longer is this flight going to be delayed? I've got a very important business meeting to go to. I'm going to miss my connection.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm trying to get an update for you. As soon as I have some information,
It's not good
I will
enough.
let you know.
We've been hanging around here for hours.
But GE has a vision, and in the next few years, we see things a little differently. We are working to improve air traffic management. Flights today take longer than they did 50 years ago. Inefficient flight paths make it hard to predict arrival times. Approaches that hold in the air, with aircraft circling airports, waste time and fuel. GE is helping to transition to a more modern airspace. In the future, aircraft will fly new, more efficient flight paths. Factors like weather, aircraft traffic, gate conflicts, and even aircraft health will all be part of the flight plan, helping us to predict arrival times to within seconds. Flights will be shorter. Aircraft will use less fuel, emit fewer CO2 emissions, and have less noise impact on our communities. In the future, airline operations will be more efficient, and misconnections will be a thing of the past. GE is also revolutionizing aircraft health management. At times, maintenance issues can be unpredictable, with unscheduled aircraft maintenance disrupting airline operations, passengers, and freight. In the future, airline operations will have access to equipment and systems on all their aircraft 24/7. We'll know the health and performance of aircraft and their accurate locations wherever they fly in the world. This intelligence will provide predictive health monitoring, allowing airlines to identify issues before they occur, enabling them to run seamless operations. GE is creating the future of aircraft electrical power because there's a growing demand for more reliable power for an aircraft's key functions and systems, such as electromechanical actuation and air management systems, and for the comfort and entertainment of passengers. Next-generation aircraft will demand up to 4 times more power than today. In the future, an intelligent smart grid will optimize the supply and demand of electrical power across the aircraft. Fuel cells and batteries will provide modern means of auxiliary and emergency power, and with better integration with the engine, we'll be able to reduce weight and fuel burn. Air travel will be more efficient, more reliable.
Write your own predictions which are likely to happen in 15 years in the sphere of aviation in Kazakhstan. To be going to. Future intentions or plans when a decision has already been made. I am going to get a job next year. Predications when there is some evidence you can see now. Look at the clouds. There is going to be storm. Present continuous. Things that are in progress now. For example, he's having breakfast in the kitchen. Temporary situations. We are staying with friends for a week. Future arrangements. We are leaving at 8:30. The form present continuous is to be plus infinitive plus ing. Grammar task. Exercise 1. Put the verbs into present progressive. Reading task. Exercise 1. Textbook, page 93. Venn diagram. Write a compares of international airports and the domestic airports. Write a similarity between them. Read the text. Read and complete these sentences. Home task. Retelling the text, working out with new vocabulary, making sentences using active grammar. Goodbye. See you the next lesson.